Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. We are ready to trade some options, review our plays from the last few weeks, and give you an update on this account. This is a traditional IRA where I'm showcasing how to sell options on a smaller account to make a few $100s each and every single month. As you can see, today is an absolute monster of a day. We're up 4.25% or $192. And that is mostly because TSLL or Tesla is having a nice green start to the day. So we're up 192 for the day. For the week, 1.35%, $63. For the month, we are still down 225. 3 months, we are up 11.66% or almost $500. And then year to date, we're up 24% or $916. You can see we have some big swings here and there. The smaller swings when we're selling cash secured puts, the bigger swings when we're actually assigned shares. And we are on our second or third wheel cycle of TSLL in this particular account. So what have we been doing? Well, we've kind of just been sitting on our hands. I had a couple of weeks where I wasn't selling covered calls because the stock had dropped so much. And let's take a look. I'll show you. Let's jump into it. So if we look at this over the last month, we went from $15 before earnings all the way down to 11, down to 10. And then now we're just slowly creeping up into the $12, $50 to $13 range. So I started selling calls again. We're not making a whole lot of premium, but we are still making premium as we wait for the shares to bounce back. Right now we have 365 shares. We were assigned 200, and then I continued to buy more shares and deposit more money into this account in an effort to lower our cost basis. And we have. So we got assigned, let's actually just go through it. Pull this up here. There we go. So we were assigned back on October 19th, so almost an entire month ago. And we were assigned at the 14.5 and the 15. Again, these were pre-earnings, and so earnings wasn't terrible, but it wasn't fantastic. And so one of the most shorted stocks on the market is Tesla, and so it got absolutely obliterated. So you can see I just started buying more and more. $480, $122, $178, $87, $268, $54. I just kept buying more and more because I believe in Tesla long term, and I'm not too worried about it. So I just kept averaging down my costs. What that does is it allows me to sell different covered calls rather than being stuck at the $14.75 average cost. I've got my average cost down under $13.50 now, so we can sell calls for a pretty good premium. So last week I sold the first covered call since we had been assigned, and I sold it for $15. So $5 per contract. TSLL operates in $5 per contract, which is kind of annoying, but just how it is. So we sold that for $15. We continued to buy, and then bought some more here for $172. And then I rolled it on Friday. The price, I don't know if it tells me the price of Tesla, but I closed the old ones out for $2 a contract, and then sold the new ones for $13, which ended up being a credit of $15. So not too bad. So $15 each, and then it looks like there was or maybe $11. There you go. $11 was the limit price per contract. So we rolled that out. We got $33 in credit. We booked the previous credit on the account, and that options buying power went straight to our buying power. So we got paid that credit, and that's where we're sitting as of right now. So this 13 TSLL Tesla again is sitting at $12.77. So we're not in the money. We still have a whole week until this option expires worthless. If we do need to roll it up and out, we can. You can always just go to your current options and you could roll the position. For example, I could roll it to the following week for the 13.5, and it would cost me $9, but it would grab me another $150 of share appreciation. So, but it's early in the week, so I'm just sitting on that. I'm going to let Theta decay away. Theta on it right now is moving the contract $5 a day as of right now. So it'll decay it away each and every single day. If Tesla keeps going up, we have a lot of odd lots. So I've talked about the odd lot strategy a little bit, but we have 65 shares odd lot. So if I get caught in a situation where I can't roll it for, a little bit of debit or a credit, then what I'll do is I'll sell a couple of shares to pay for the cost to close, and then I'll sell a new covered call. Because we are at the 13.5, we're break even or actually making a little bit of money at the 13.5 cost basis. We're in a good spot. So the idea is to get back to cash and then sell cash secure puts again. So that's where we're sitting at. The account's doing really well for the year. I'll take 24% all day, every day. So let's hope that we can finish it at that or above towards the end of the year. And yeah, Tesla's on a ripper now. So no options to trade today. Just wanted to review the roll from Friday. Again, we got $33 for that roll, and it allows us to let the shares appreciate a little bit more. So we'll see where we're at. But that's the update for this account. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to throw me a like, and happy investing. We'll catch you next week.